What's past in the past and done. The present is your present, it's for everyone.
Find my glasses, I can't find my shoes, can't reach my laces, I'm singing the blues, can't read these directions, sick of reading the news, I don't want to grow old no more. I wake up too early just shaking my head, work up my gumption to get out of the bed. I'd rather wake up grumpy than wake up dead, don't want to grow old no more. I won't believe my life is boring and pointless, though my bones feel rubbery and my ankles appear to be jointless. Things I used to do for pleasure aren't any fun. Things I think need doing, heck, seems I've already done. I'm forging ahead to keep checking my mail, napping each day and masticating my kale. I'm facing the struggle, carry on till I fail. Don't wanna grow old no more, no more, don't wanna grow old no more. My time must come when every runner ends his run. The clock winds down until your final hours are done. My doctor cannot cure my endless little list of ills with his colonoscopies and scripts for boner pills. Don't look at that chest, don't peek at that ass. The time for those antics is way, way past. And look behind before you pass that gas. Don't wanna grow old no more. Stepping into each day and singing this song to keep the blues away. Guess I'll circle the drain until I fade away. Don't wanna grow old no more, no more, don't wanna grow old no more. Hey, the sun's out today, think I'll walk in the park. It's not so hard to see the light in the dark. Still I got my sense of humor, got my bite in my bark. So I won't, no I won't grow